All right. There you go. Yeah, that's a project I've been meaning to do for a long time, and I actually stumbled upon how to do the socket trick online on YouTube University, as I like to call it. I'll leave a link to that wonderful video that I found in the description. And somebody else recently asked if I would do a walkthrough now of my mobile kayak repair unit here that I have with all the things and drawers now. And honestly, it's a truck meant for hauling my my dogs around. You see, it's kind of like a limousine. How about all that space with these back seats folded up, and they have a little trough here that I can fill while I'm driving. Yeah, this is an old FWC vehicle, a 2010 Ford F-150. I love this truck, and I bought the topper for it, and I put some red accents on here just to make everything kind of fit together. But it also coincidentally matches my trailer and pulls it just fine. And I should be taking this trailer back to Florida very soon, because there's certain things that I just really miss doing, like kayaking, and while I'm down there I want to do another giveaway like I just recently did. Well, here we are, it's the day of the giveaway, and I'm approaching my destination, which is the boathouse. So yeah, hopefully this place isn't too packed and we can all have a good time. I'm just gonna pull into one of these spots. Cool. What's up?
How you doing?
What's up?
Yeah.
Cool, we're gonna have some fun.
Let's do it.
Yes. How you doing? Good to see you again.
Nice to see you. Hello there.
Hi.
Let's go, let's go. Yeah. This was intended to be just a meetup, but at some point I had decided, you know what? I have too many kayaks, and giving one of them away just seemed like the right thing to do. I had also brought my own personal kayak, the catch mode that you see here. This way, 1 and 2 at a time, people could go out and just paddle around and enjoy themselves. And after a while, it was time to give away that beige catch classic. You filming? Yeah. You gonna use it?
Absolutely, yes, sir.
Congratulations, you just got yourself a catch.
Thank you. I appreciate it. Thank you.
You're welcome. I hate not having a kayak for everybody. But
I was just trying to
yeah, I was
make it up, man. You know?
I did enjoy hanging out with all you guys, man. It was fun talking. It really was difficult to choose Josh as the winner of this catch classic, but one thing that helped seal the deal was some nice messages I had received on my Facebook page from him. He seemed like a hard-working guy who never owned a kayak, and I felt I had made the best choice.
Okay, thank you so much. I'll get a picture with you.
Okay, sure.
I appreciate it.
You know, I'm very happy, but at the same time I feel pretty sad because God, I wish I could give one to everybody. But you got to pick somebody. This guy's got a real joy for being outdoors, and I think he's going to enjoy having a kayak. I think it's a good decision. Within a month or so I should be heading back to Florida, and I'm going to do another meetup over there, and quite possibly I'm going to do another giveaway. Thank you guys for sticking around. Catch you later. Another thing that I might possibly do in Florida is join my friend who I've been staying with here in Morehead City, North Carolina. He has a marine shop, used to work on the water quite a bit, towing and saving lives and cleaning up after disasters. And recently I helped him put some stuff together so that he can go down and take care of people that are suffering from the aftermath of Ian. This equipment you see here is referred to as boom, and it floats in the water and it creates a perimeter that contains the oil, which inevitably spills out of sunken boats. My friend had piles of it everywhere. That's a lot of boom. Him and his crew and myself loaded up a bunch of this boom, as well as an empty trailer and some other equipment that would be needed down in Florida. It took quite a lot of effort to put everything together. A good amount of it was containment and absorption stuff, and compressors, water pumps, generators, hoses, a whole bunch of things that were necessary to help clean up all the sunken boats. My friend Cody had a lot of stuff at his shop already from years past, but ordered some new things, bits and pieces to get old equipment running, and all the little things he might need. There was also a trailer that needed some loving to get one of his rigid inflatable boats down there to help aid with the recovery. I spent many days from sunup to sundown helping get him and his crew prepared to go down there and help make a difference. That stuff's going to soak up the oil while they're recovering boats. This is where they're gonna live. Should be quite an adventure. Well, regardless of whether or not I go down there to help him out with that disaster relief, I am going to be heading back to Florida soon enough, hopefully before it gets too cold, and there'll be plenty more hijinks and fun times to be had when I'm down there. Thank you guys, as always, for hanging out with me, and maybe eventually I'll get back to my great loop adventure and editing all that stuff. Ain't that right, Cookie? Don't worry, my other pups are around here somewhere and they're doing good too. I'll catch you guys later.